Hi, my name is Gift, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can list your digital products on your Prooval page. If you do not have a Prooval page yet, visit prooval.com to create your own page. So for the purpose of this video, I already have my account and I'm going to be logging in to my page till I get to my dashboard. So I'm on my dashboard now, and you can see we have the bookings, resources, data products, bundles, priority DM, and all the features that Prooval has basically. Then you click on data product. Now, when it comes to data product on Prooval, we have different categories. We have the digital books, under which we have ebooks, templates, guides. We have audios, we have videos, and then we have templates. That's for like resumes, visual presentations, and the likes. But let's get right into it. So we move to the product title, which is very, very important for your digital product. Just input the title that you would like to use for your product. And afterwards, you include the description of this product. That's like a little explanation of what your digital product is about. Then afterwards, we move to pricing. This is the stage where you choose whether your data product is paid or free. And for the purpose of this video, we are going to be choosing paid. So the next thing is to set your amount. Note that with the Prooval page, you can accept different currencies. So in this video, I'm going to be using 3 different currencies. That's the Naira, the Canadian dollar, and the Euro. So you can have more currencies if you would like to. Then we move to adding slashed price or discount. This is very, very optional. If you do not wish to give your client slash price or a discount, it is just okay, you leave it that way. But let me show you, for those that will be giving their clients slashed price or a discount, let me show you how you can do that here. Okay, so you toggle on the button for each of them, then you input the price that you would like to offer them for each currency. That's for those that pick different currencies. Then you also come to the discount and input the percentage of the discount you want to give them. And after that, that is saved. So next thing is to move to the thumbnail of your picture, which you can choose from your files on your laptop or your phone. Then we move to the attachment type. This is the part where you choose whether you want to upload your product as a file or as a link. Note that when you want to upload your data product on Prooval as a file, Prooval cannot accept more than 100 MB. So if your product is over 100 MB, it is advisable you upload it as a link, and that is very simple to do. Upload it to a drive, manage the access for everyone to view, then copy the link and paste it here. That's for people that their product is over 100 MB. So you can select either file or link, but for the purpose of this video, I chose file, and I will be uploading my file here. Then next is to select your access type. For this access type, I would advise that if you're selecting your access type, just put view only to avoid your clients, downloading and sharing with people that did not pay for it. Then you can choose to add extra questions if you want. It's an optional thing. So you can scroll back up to see if every single thing you imputed is correct and aligns with your product. After that, just check through, then come back down here to click on list product. Once you click on list product, it will ask if you're sure, then you publish your product, and your product is live on Prooval. Then you can just copy your link and share with your audience. It is pretty simple. Everything takes less than 3 minutes to set up. Once again, if you're here to create your Prooval page, visit prooval.com to create your page, upload your data product, and start selling the easy way. Cheers.